Surprising sex facts about women. There is an overwhelming lack of understanding when it comes to female sexuality, from orgasm to dysfunction and general likes and dislikes, than there is for men. Just last week, researchers from Yale University were able to explain an evolutionary idea that attributes a woman's orgasm to ovulation. While the two may have once been linked, mammals evolved menstrual cycles, and now they no longer need the hormonal rush of an orgasm to ovulate. Good thing, too, since only 57% of women in a 2015 survey reported achieving orgasm most or every time they had sex. Mike reported, "For anyone who thinks that's actually pretty good, their male partners had orgasms 95% of the time." Part of the problem is that science and research fields are still dominated by men. It's not a coincidence we know more about the penis than the clitoris. There's also poor knowledge of female anatomy among both men and women, and as Mike put it, better knowledge of the parts can help with the mechanics. Vaginal orgasm is really an internal clitoral orgasm. The sole purpose of a woman's clitoris is to provide pleasure, and that's it. Approximately 8,000 sensory nerve fibers are located in the tender buttons. For you Gertrude Stein fans, nearly twice the amount found on the head of a penis. But there's literally more. The clitoris is mostly subterranean, which means it mostly exists inside the vagina. The circular mass on the outside is connected to the shaft of the internal clitoris, and stimulating that shaft with either a penis or sex toy can greatly increase stimulation or bulb beneath the clitoral hood.